Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Coinbase's staking features. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use Coinbase's staking features, then this video is for you. It's going to be a really quick one. I'm just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you want to do is to log into your Coinbase account. You can log into your Coinbase account on the mobile app, or you can choose to log in on the website. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the staking tab. Now there you can browse the available staking options. Once you find the option that best suits you, you can just choose that, and then you can delegate your cryptocurrency to the staking pool, and that's going to help you to earn staking rewards. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Coinbase's staking features. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next